cantaloupe, cantaloupe.
I eat sweet cantaloupe in summer.
Muskmelon, muskmelon.
Muskmelon is juicy and delicious.
Snake gourd, snake gourd.
Snake gourd is long and healthy.
Ivy gourd, ivy gourd.
Ivy gourd is used in tasty dishes.
Cassava, cassava.
Cassava gives us energy.
Taro, taro.
Taro grows under the soil.
Yam, yam.
Yam is a strong and healthy food.
Lotus root, lotus root.
Lotus root is crunchy and fresh.
Water chestnut, water chestnut.
Water chestnut grows in water.
Bamboo shoots, bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots are soft and tasty.
Leek, leek.
Leek has a mild onion taste.
Arugula, arugula.
Arugula is fresh and a little spicy.
Kale, kale.
Kale is very healthy for the body.
Swiss chard, Swiss chard.
Swiss chard has colorful leaves.
Mint, mint.
Mint smells fresh and cool.
Coriander, coriander.
Coriander adds flavor to food.
Parsley, parsley.
Parsley is used for decoration and taste.
Basil, basil.
Basil smells very nice.
Dill, dill.
Dill is good with fish dishes.
Thyme, thyme.
Thyme is a strong herb.
Rosemary, rosemary.
Rosemary smells like nature.
Oregano, oregano.
Oregano is used on pizza.
Bay leaf, bay leaf.
Bay leaf gives a rich flavor.
Curry leaves, curry leaves.
Curry leaves are used in spicy food.
Mustard greens, mustard greens.
Mustard greens are a little spicy.
Fenugreek leaves, fenugreek leaves.
Fenugreek leaves are very healthy.
Turnip greens, turnip greens.
Turnip greens are rich in vitamins.
Beet greens, beet greens.
Beet greens are soft and tasty.
Sweet corn, sweet corn.
Sweet corn is juicy, golden, and full of flavor.
Baby corn, baby corn.
Baby corn is small, crunchy, and perfect for salads.
Green onion, green onion.
Green onion is used in salad.
Chives, chives.
Chives look like thin grass.
Walnut, walnut.
Walnut is good for the brain.
Almond, almond.
Almond is healthy and tasty.
Pistachio, pistachio.
Pistachio is a popular snack.
Cashew, cashew.
Cashew is soft and creamy.
Peanut, peanut.
Peanut gives energy.
Hazelnut, hazelnut.
Hazelnut tastes sweet.
Chestnut, chestnut.
Chestnut is eaten in winter.
Brazil nut, Brazil nut.
Brazil nut is big and strong.
Macadamia, macadamia.
Macadamia is rich and buttery.
Pecan, pecan.
Pecan is used in desserts.
Sesame, sesame.
Sesame is used on bread.